Hey guys, welcome back to Love Truck Garage. In the last video we installed the new electric fan. Well, today we're going to get it wired up and then test it. I'd be the first to admit that I'm not that good with wiring, but let's give it a shot. I took my time and I even called my buddy Don Leith for some advice. I mounted the new fan relay right on the same plate as the headlight relays. I ran the main power line along the fender well and along the back of the motor. I wrapped it in some fresh wire loom along with a few other wires headed the same direction. I really did a lot of straightening up along the way and got things tucked in there real nice. I mounted the new circuit breaker for the fan to the firewall and hooked up the power line. Then I ran a wire from the circuit breaker to the starter, and that should power the fan. The last wire went to a toggle switch in the cab to turn the fan off and on. Here's the temp after sitting through 3 traffic lights. A couple weeks ago I would have been slightly over 200 degrees at this point. I'm real happy how this turned out. That gives me a lot of peace of mind. In the last video I modified my hood hinges. Let's see how that turned out. I bolted everything up and aligned the hood as best I could. If you've ever had a fiberglass hood, you know what a challenge that could be. Let alone a 30 or 40-year-old fiberglass hood. I actually think it's a little better than it was before. So now the hood tilts forward like it always did. And by removing those pins in the front, I can take the hood completely off anytime I need to in about 2 minutes. That turned out pretty good. Now for the next project. Good old LT from LT's Custom Garage inspired me to cut a hole in my roof. But I'm not a big fan of those ragtop kits. I actually had been looking for a long time, but I finally found one. A brand new in the box C.R. Lawrence pop-up sunroof. This beautiful sunroof's been hiding in a box somewhere since 2011. And yeah, I'm gonna cut a hole in my roof. So stay tuned and please like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next lap. Thanks for watching. And don't forget, t-shirts, hoodies, and trucker hats on lovetruckgarage.com.